10 FM, E Ara E Mara.
E Ara E Mara. Yes, team, that's right. You're here with the crew, Phoenix, Marcia, and Luke, and we're leaving.
Yes,
It's been a great day today. Thanks for joining us, everybody. See you tomorrow morning from 7 a.m.
Hey, I just want to say congratulations.
Oh, yes. Yeah.
I whānau mai tō pēpi ho.
Ai, tai mai ia I te paraire, kua hipatata nei. Our baby just arrived on, Friday night.
Cheers.
The midwife has it in her notes. Jen started pushing at 11:14. Baby was out 11:15.
Oh, way to go. And that's why you're not finished having babies yet.
Wow. She's finished. She's
and out. Just one cough and it's out.
Pretty much.
Amazing.
So we had our baba. His name is Waiora o Tāne Ruka.
Oh,
Kia ora.
yes.
So-
Aroha.
Yeah.
Yes.
Aroha.
Waiora o Tāne Ruka.
Yes.
Should we get into that now or should we wait for a little bit?
The name's there.
Yeah.
Oh, it seems like a pretty good. Well, let's wait for it, but let's let
Okay.
everyone
Build
join
it up.
in.
This
We're
is
going to
good.
talk about later. So we were talking about names. So my new baba was just born Friday, like we were talking about. And his name is Waiora o Tāne because he was born on the moon, o Tāne.
I love that.
Ruka. But then we started gas bagging about some other names that we've heard
Yes.
and some hilarious stories and also names that our parents had in store for us that we were wondering what our lives had been different.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
So different.
we might have different friends.
The power of a name.
Yeah.
That's
Exactly.
right.
So we'll talk more about that later, though.
Aye.
Yes. Hey, last night, this is totally off the subject, but you know how we live on a main road and it's quite a busy
Yes.
road, and our little
Should I say your whole address?
well, we had this. My auntie saw this. Off the footpath, there comes like a retaining wall, and then there's a rock wall, and then there's the next part of the land by the front of the house.
Ooh.
And my auntie noticed there was a man that had fallen over the fence and sitting on the first part of the retaining wall. And all of a sudden, he falls off the retaining wall and then falls onto the land, falls back and hits his head on the rock wall.
Oh, no.
Ah.
So yesterday afternoon, by 5:30, we had 2 ambulances at the top of our drive. Cars pulling over, everyone, oh, what's up? What's happening? Poor guy. If your name is Turner, or you know the guy called Turner, is he okay?
Turner's options.
Oh.
He was very, very haurangi.
Okay.
But it was quite sad. I felt very sorry for him. The ambulance came, and they were all mana wahine. All 4 of them that
Oh,
turned up.
right,
That's
okay.
cool. Yeah.
They were
So
like,
he was fine.
he was fine.
Healed immediately.
Yeah. Just
But
got
it
down the
was-
road. You're fine. Get out.
There was drama on the roadside.
Wow.
Poor guy. He went
Oh.
and smashed us.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of
because we went off, down, one, off, down, hit, bam.
And so you were watching going, ooh,
Yeah. And it looks like it's finished. And no, keep out.
Well, my auntie was like, I think there's a man outside. And I was like, oh my God, that guy needs help.
Someone should help him. It's not us.
Yeah, so it was quite a drama. Anyway,
that's funny.
yes, that was
Yes.
last night's episode of The Bird Nest.
Yes, no, it's quite eventful around there.
Yeah, then a couple of days before, we had the neighbour running to our house for refuge
Oh, no.
from his border.
Yes.
So the police were over to help him out and make sure. And I was like, oh my gosh, talk about this is like, what, Law and Order?
Well, you know what? I think the neighbour's like, do you know, every day that house pointing at your house is like this peculiar sound that comes out every morning, like an opera is going on in the house. Are we wrong?
Well, the funny thing is that the people who've been like, we're one of an old family that's lived on that road, and the other family that lives across the road, who is an old Tarewa Road family, are the Joviches. So Joey Jovich pulls over and he goes, you guys okay? You guys okay? We're like, oh, a passerby fella. He goes, I just thought it was one of you guys. All good. And I was like, sorry, buddy. Sorry. Like, trying to rub his head.
He is
gushing
one of
blood.
you guys.
Yeah, no, I know Joey Jovich very well. He works at Sport North.
Yes.
He's a good dude.
He
man.
is. We've
He's
known
a
him
good
since
dude.
we were kids, but he always comes see if we're okay. But
Yeah.
he was like,
Yeah,
just random guy. Okay,
Yeah.
well, goodbye.
As long as it's not you guys, I care about you.
Yeah, bless his heart.
Yeah, Jovich, if you look around town, you'll see their names on all the buildings.
Yeah, actual. How did you say that?
Yeah.
Kia ora.
Yes.
Kia ora, Mr. Jovic.
Anyway,
Yeah, and
Anyway.
on that, like, you know, great note of you saving someone's life. What's our weather doing?
ai ko tātou tohu huarere.
Ai,
That'll work for me.
tō tātou. Ai.
Tō tātou tohu huarere mō tēnei ata. It's currently 20.4 degrees here in Te Whangaore Pai
Kohi ngā kokus.
Got so many options now. We're
Yeah,
just
yeah,
second guessing
hard out.
I'm
ourselves.
feeling like a latte.
It's sad that the options are not ruku kai moana because we don't do
I
that.
know, because one of our viewers is watching
Have
today.
to point out we don't ruku mō ngā
Right, that's
kūtai.
right. Anyway,
Yeah.
I feel like kutai today.
You
so
probably
right
have at
here
the
in
supermarket. That counts, doesn't it?
it does.
Yes.
Right here in Te Whangaore Pai
Kohi ngā kūtai.
It's
No, I
kutai,
I got the
Kūtai rice.
Kohi ngā kutu.
It's because we were saying cockles. So I would just say kutai. But no, that's
Kutai,
right.
mate,
Head
kutai.
drag, techno. Head drag.
Gonna be a
All right.
kūtai.
Oh,
Anyway,
sorry,
it's
sorry.
20.4 degrees. It's a higher today of 27 degrees in Whangarei and 28 degrees in Tamakima COVID. 87% humidity. It feels more like 90 today. It's hot. It's moist.
Last night was hot as.
Yes, and you must have like 2, 3 babies in your room
yeah,
now,
we've got
in your bed.
we've got the 2 bubbas in our bed now. My big girl who takes up the whole bed. It's real buzzy how babies can take up so much space.
It's also buzzy
Yeah.
how your big girl was your portaki,
Yeah.
and then like just with your new baby now, she's just
She looks
all of a sudden,
ginormous.
all of a sudden a big girl.
Big
Yeah,
girl, it's
exactly.
hot.
Yeah, it is. It's funny.
Same with Stevie and Rani
Yes.
Warren. They had their baba.
Yes.
And same
Oh,
with their
wow.
portaki.
Yeah.
She's just like she looks like she's an older sister now.
Yeah, e mihana kia rate. We've got a mate of ours, who 2 of our kids were born on the exact same day.
Oh, che.
Crack up ass. So they share the same
Wow.
birthdays.
That's cool.
Very cool. Ki ngā tai o whangarei, the last tide was low tide at 4 a.m. this morning. High tide will be at 10:30 later on this morning, and low tide again at 4:30 this
Oh,
afternoon.
fantastic.
Thank
you. for
you.
that.
I brought it back with my news voice.
Your
Ah.
Pākehā voice.
Well, I'm about to turn on my sexy voice. No. Tēnā no tātou. Nau mai, haere mai, ki tō koutou wahanga mako. Ina pō i haere i wahua taku whare e pātai atu ki a hina. E aha te wahanga o tēnei mārama. Hei ko tāna, ko oho ata, te wahanga o tēnei mārama. He rā pai ki te roku tuna, te roku kaura, me te whakatō kūmara, me whakatō ngā kākano i roto i tō koutou māra. Tōna pai, te hihi ko i tēnei rā. He tōna pai. Oh my gosh. What happened to my backing track?
Oh, you got the Timmy Flavor cough cough. Kika.
Okay.
Ta ta ra ta.
Wairu ao taro hae.
Sexy mārama taka. Oho ata.
Oho ata.
Oho ata
Get up
patira
early.
kupu.
Oho ata, morning, up, morning, get
Yeah,
up,
pretty
get
much
up,
get
get
up.
up.
Get
Get
up.
up.
Oho ata.
Oh, wake
i te
up.
ata.
Ata whanu.
There's no one ohos in the pool.
Yes.
Sorry, I went to go and have a burp and also inhale, and it turned into something else.
And
I was
then
like,
you-
Timmy
and then you
Flavor
just
cough
choked,
cough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
it was not fun.
Yeah, a bit of a rocky end to the maramataka for this morning. Here we are, noe tiwi. Koira te nui o ngā tohu huarere, maramataka hoki. Kia oki anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Very shortly, te wira is going to give us our
Yes.
kemu.
Our kemu. And speaking of sexy mārama taka, our first word for the morning is, I want to sex you up.
Get it.
Colour me bad.
Get it. When you say it like that. Oh, T. Hey, Mojo.
Ngā tēne FM. Yeah, where's everyone?
There you go. Welcome.
E Ara E Mara Tai Tokerau Thursday. What?
Welcome
What?
to the backstage.
Oh!
Is anyone backstage?
Yeah, there's a few people.
But
just-
Welcome everybody to the VIB, the very important backstager. This is where you get all the tea, all the goss, some shade, and no fade with the three, Luke and Phoenix. How you doing today? What's up? What's not? Who's doing who out there? Phoenix and his wife. He's now had a baby. Woo!
That was immaculate conception.
If you are listening, please send us a comment.
Yeah, where are you guys?
Any comment will be great. And this is your opportunity to tell us anything you want. Ask us anything in the privacy of our own little VIB pass.
Yes, we can do, yes. Off-air entertainment right here.
Oh, the Waitatau.
He waia tatau. Horekai.
What did you do last night? What did you do today? Homework?
Yeah, work. I actually did work. I gotta just finish off the rest of that NRC video, then that's away. Still doing this Anglican website, and then that's away. And then invoices to everybody. That pot one looks cool.
Yeah. Took longer than I planned for it to. Because I had it in my eye, yeah, we'll just do it like that. But and then all of them will just be similar to that.
Yeah.
One. Now that I've got that first one, the rest will be on.
That's cool.
If you are listening today and you're wondering why there's no music, it's because VIBs get
Yeah.
no music.
Yeah.
Get us. Very important birds. Very important.
Because you're doing 4A.
Yeah.
And
Very
then
important.
my 4 basic as ones. But surely.
What did you do last night? Be bad.
Oh, this.
Mōrena!
Yeah, no.
Hey.
I had some mahi to doing that.
Mōrena. Oh, no.
Oh, I need to find some chocolate.
1 minute.
Oh, yes, whoopee. Okay, we'll talk about you.
You alive. Okay, we're going back on air. TV. Go, 20 more.
He mea tautoko nā te manga.
Mai pāho.
Mai ngā rekereke o parihaka maunga ki te awa o hātea puta atu ki te whanga o reipai atu ki te ao Ngāti Hine FM.
That's right. Mōrena, we welcome to the show. If you're just joining us at home or on the radio or wherever you are in the motu, welcome. It's 7:25 a.m. with Marcy, Luke and Phoenix.
Yes, and we're about to get into Te Wida.
Tika.
Matua Te Widas, who dictates.
Matua Te Wida.
Yeah, Matua Te Wida.
Yeah,
who dictates which game we're about to play this morning
right.
to get uttered. Because we do play E Ara E Mara, help wake up the brain, get the juices flowing. So without further ado, let's talk to Matua Te Wida.
Okay, here we go.
Te wida.
If you're listening at home, we've got a wheel of anxiety.
And it's on the roll.
Here we go.
Tells
What's
us
the
which game we got to play.
Oh, I love that side.
Oh.
Oh, no, surely not.
After 2 days in a row.
We're playing a high note challenge for a second time in a row.
Now, the rules are
What are the odds of
you
that
have to
happening?
commit, even if you don't.
Don't.
If you know you can't make it, that is the point.
That is the point.
We want to hear
It's
you
hard.
can't make it.
I have to say, yesterday's one, it was difficult.
Maybe we
Oh,
need to
it's
go
not hard,
low note.
fast.
It was.
Maybe flip it since it was yesterday. Go low note challenge.
Oh.
It's hard.
But yeah, you check on something. All right, what's our waiata then for the high note challenge?
Okay.
What's
Well,
the-
that's why we've got time to think. Anybody got a high note challenge?
yeah, true.
Waiata for us?
Yeah, so if you're in
Is
the
it high
comment,
or low? Which one are we
We'll go
going?
high.
Let's
I'll
go
go
high.
high.
That's
Okay.
if you're in the comment section, yeah, because you don't break going low, it's not funny.
You don't.
So if you're in the comment section, whānau, and you know about the high note challenge, so the way it works is that we just sing a line from any kind of waiata, sing a line, but every time the next person sings that same line, it goes up and goes up and goes up until someone goes. So if you have any,
And that person yesterday was who? That was fun though. That
It was
really
fun. So if you have any suggestions in the comment section, whānau, text them through, put them through. Tēnā patuhi mai.
Aye.
He might.
Okay, just off the top of my head, what are other ones? I know there's the levels, but then I
Well, we
don't
don't
know
wanna
the
butcher
actual
that.
words.
Yeah, we don't wanna
so I'm
butcher
like,
those
no,
quickly.
you don't even make sense. Cool.
What about? I think they were doing it with that solo from Te
Piki
Piki
Kotuku.
Kotuku, like
yeah,
that.
all right.
Yeah, maybe. What's
Yes.
the bit? I don't know which bit in particular, but there was like a part there that they were doing that Nippy and that were doing.
Okay, cool.
We'll come
It's
back
Iwi?
with that one.
Yes, high note challenge on ways.
Yes, whānau, but before that, ko hoki tātou ki te mito te rohe. We have Roots Woman from Jimmy Cliff, and then we'll be back with the high note challenge. Let's see who cracks it or cracks. DNFM.
No mai hoki mai ki te backstage.
If you have any suggestions for our high note challenge, whānau, chuck it in there. If you're not fast, you last.
And those new to the backstage, this is backstage because
It's VIB. You get the uncopyrighted version of our show, which means you can't listen to the music. Hey, simple as that. But it means you get a real personable account of what we're about.
or you can do what other people do and tune into us online on ngatihinefm.co.nz or on air, as well as tuning online here. So you get the face and the voice and the songs.
There you go. Mōrena vibes.
A little bit of
NZ.
admin, but you know.
Right. We haven't heard from our number one fans this morning, the Pauline and the Generator.
Generator's on the road to Kyle at the moment.
I hope she's listening on the radio.
Yes, she is. The whole van listens.
Oh, the whole van.
Toko Solutions.
Oh, chat.
I hope they listen to Donut Wednesday.
He got in there.
Actually, anybody that has a business or anybody that just wants to sponsor Donut Wednesday, all you have to do is buy a donut and bring it down every Wednesday from a different bakery every Wednesday. And then that gives you a slot to promote, I don't know, any event that you might have.
That'd be cool.
You can pay us in donuts.
Pay
It's
us
a real
donuts,
thing.
girl.
Hit us up.
What should we do for our high note?
Oh, high note.
Yo! We can start really low.
You're the one I need. Oh, bro, yeah. See, come on, baby, it's you. Stop there. And then next.
Yeah. Oh.
That is.
You're the one I need. You're the only thing I need.
Come
on, baby, it's
you.
Yeah, can you, and there's it, yeah, can you falsetto on the you, surely?
It's the need, isn't the need the high?
So, yeah, so don't falsetto all the way up to the you can falsetto that. Oh, you're the one I love.
Start really low.
You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. The only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one. And we'll just keep going. Yeah?
Krispy Kreme donuts.
Let's go. If you can get them all the way here. Or are they at the BP here? Are they?
No, wait. Don't quote me.
Don't tell me while I'm
I know
on my
the big one is by
co-papa.
Silverdale. That one has a big Krispy cream, but I don't think we do.
No, we
I
don't.
think we do. I think
Te
I'm-
whanga. Bet you I know who does in the Northland. Kitty. Nah.
Yeah, no, they probably do actually. They used to have their own donut shop.
Krispy Kremes is the tahi.
And make sure you keep it locked, Fane, for this next ad. It's great.
What's your Krispy Kreme's flavour?
I don't like Krispy Kreme.
Krispy
That's
Kreme
because
for a
it's
long
just they
time.
doing it
But I
right.
like the
Which
either
one
the
did you do?
custard-filled ones with
Oh.
the jam.
Wow,
or
that's handy.
the chocolate-filled Krispy Kreme.
If I do Krispy Kreme, I want the plainest one.
Same.
Like just the one donut with the chocolate, and that's
Oh
it.
no.
I
You
like the
no.
filling on the
You want
side.
original glazed.
Oh, I do like that.
Yeah.
But they're too sugary for me. Donuts are. I don't
Yeah,
know
I'm
if
not
it's
really a
sugar.
sweet person,
No.
but the
Well,
donuts,
here we
like,
go. Turn
if-
that back on.
oh,
For
you go back
guys,
to the
take it
ads.
back to
It's so
the
cool.
ads. You love it.
Whether you are on holiday or not, there's heaps of peeps around at the Mo, especially up here in Te Tai Tokerau. You've heard it all before, no doubt. Be safe, don't do this, don't do that. Nō reira, mōhia nā koutou what's good and what's not. So don't be that guy or gal, nera. It's not cool to sit on kai tabletops or pillows. So these hārai, keep the things meant for your mātenga separate from the things that are meant for your tau. Nera. Like sitting on the top of kai tables or pillows. That's just not cool. Be te mene o te wau mene these hārai and don't sit on kai tabletops. Whāmere, hārai, safety, mea nei. You're welcome.
Ngāti Hine FM.
With Omicron now in New Zealand, the best thing you can do is to get your booster as soon as it's due. Boosters lower your chances of getting very sick and being hospitalised and help slow the spread of the virus. That's why it's important to get your booster 4 months after your second dose. If you're 18 and over and your booster is due, get it now. Get your booster. Get ready. Book or find a walk-in vaccination centre at bookmyvaccine.nz.
Me hia koe kia haere hei kai ako mōhio ki te kōrero I te reo Māori, ko wā te Ara I Mara. Haere kia huri koe hei kai ako pai ki tō titiro anō mā te karahipi o te tipu whakarito. Ka utua katoatia o nama mō ngā akoranga. Ka tukua hoki he tahua te kaumano tāra hei awhina I tō noho. He ara tēnei hei whakaoho ia koe anō. Mea tātou tamariki. Kia huri koe hei tangata ka whirangi nui tia e koe anō. Aha koa hia hatu kaupapa, ako kai ngā kau I te kura ki te mōhio koe ki te kōrero I te reo. Kai te whai atu koe e mātou mō te reanga kai ako hau. Kimihia e tahi atu kōrero mō te karahipi o te tipu whakarito ki study.teachinz.govt.nz.
Parents and caregivers can now get their 5 to 11-year-olds immunised against COVID-19. Find out more at bookmyvaccine.nz or call the COVID Vaccination Healthline on 0800 28 2926.
The rhythm of the rohe.
So I'm gonna look a little more, sip a little more, live a little more, love a little more. Yeah. Even though they say you're no good for me, even though I'm doing this. To have fun tonight. I don't want anybody loving my baby. Nobody.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā, iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Mōrena, e te iwi!
Yes, Mōrena te iwi, you're here with the crew, Phoenix, Luke and Marcia on E Ara E Mara. And we're about to get into our E Ara E Mara game this morning, as told by Te Wira, or Matua Te Wira, as I've now named him.
Ora, tēnā koe te matua.
Tēnā koe te matua, nāna I whāriki hia te weroni.
So tō mātou waroaro. Nō reira. Kia ngā whakamua tō tātou titiro.
All right, fine. So we're going to get into our game, which is the High Note Challenge. And we've decided to go with that Beyonce classic that we'll be playing to grandchildren when they grow up. Love on top.
Ooh,
Yeah. Hey, that's gonna be a day when they're like,
Yeah.
"Oh, let's listen to some old school," and they put Beyonce.
Yeah. Beyonce is
Hey,
okay.
come
It's
on.
when you go, oh, Grandma, what songs did you listen to? It's like, oh, well, we had this one song, wet ass.
Whap.
Whap.
I used to call it whap.
Yeah.
That's how I met
Back
your
in my-
grandfather.
Yeah, exactly.
We used to call it
exactly.
WAP, and he
Get a
whaps me.
bucket and a mop. That's a wet ass.
Hey, macaroni.
Yeah.
Macaroni
Macaroni
e tunu.
Oh, that's great.
Ana he tore maku.
Yeah, see, that's gonna be our old school music.
That
Anyway.
would be, you're right.
He
In 50
paquete
years'
he
time.
mape. All right, we
All right, here
digress.
we go. I'll try and start low. Oh, how's it? You.
Nice and low, please.
You're
Oh, wow.
the one I love.
I'm gonna see
You're
if I
the
can
one
hit
I
that.
need. You're the only thing I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one I love.
love. You're the one I need. You're the only
Starting
one I
nice and easy.
see.
It's you.
Yeah.
Come on, baby, it's you.
How does it?
You're
The
the
one I love.
Love. You're the one I need. You're
Oh,
the
here it comes.
only thing I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the
one I love.
Hey.
You're the one I need.
Kicking
You're
on
the
like you
only
too,
one
huh?
I see. Come on, baby, it's you. Ooh, you.
Went up- You went up again. Oh,
Just the break in here. The rule is it must be falsetto, and the only one where you can go. I mean,
No,
it can't
not
be falsetto. The only one where you can go falsetto is on the U at the end.
because Beyonce does. So.
Yes.
What's the next one?
You're the
You're the one I love.
Hey.
You're the one I need.
Yes,
You're
here we
the only
go.
one I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
You're the one I love.
Get it.
You're the one I need.
Hey.
You're the only
man.
one I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
Yes,
You're
you're.
the, oh, what is it?
Yeah.
You're
You're.
the one I love.
Oh, here.
You're the one I need.
Yes.
You're the only one I see. Come on, baby,
Oh.
it's you.
You're the one I love.
Here it comes.
You're the one I
I'm
need.
clinching.
You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
You're
Oh, sit
the one.
down.
You're the.
You're
the
the
one I love.
Get it.
You're the one I need. You're
Yes.
the only one I see.
Oh,
Come
no.
on, baby, it's you. Get it.
You're the one
Get it,
I love.
Keep
That's
going. I want to hear it.
I want to hear it. I want to hear
You
it.
better come back.
Clinch,
Do
All right,
not
let's
say
go.
that.
What is it?
Clinch your
You're
nono.
the one. I want to hear
Yeah,
whatever
yeah.
you have.
Okay.
Clinch
What is
the
it again?
nono.
So does the audience at home. You're the
Oh,
one.
bro. You're the one I love. You're the one.
Keep going.
That's it.
You're the one I love. That's a strategy. I gotta
Yeah.
stand up.
Oh,
Like, you're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
Yeah.
You're the one I love. Yes. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one I love.
Okay.
You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. One more, you can do it.
Okay. Oh.
You're the one I love.
Nice.
You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you.
Nice.
I'm so clean.
Oh,
no,
bro.
one more. One more.
That was you.
Yes.
You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the
Oh, yes.
That's a winner.
Oh, Phoenix, please do one.
Nah, you guys.
Don't be embarrassed.
I'm not. That's it.
I have pushed so hard. I'm confident I've done a shot. Oh, that was hard.
You guys are funny. That was hilarious. Anyway, that was our game. Whānau, E Ara E Mara.
I love how Marcia commits. She stands up.
You got
to
She's
stand up.
Yeah. There's some strategies that you can do.
Oh.
Not that I've got a great range, because man, there's some people out there, like stupid Stan Walker. You're a male. Why do you have a better range than females?
His range is crazy. But that was our game. Whānau, E Ara E Mara. For 2 days in a row, we've Mato Te Wira's like, that game's hilarious. You're going to play the high note challenge again. And
there's another consequence for Phoenix.
Oh, you got comments, Oh, consequence, eat a donut. Oh, damn.
All right.
That was good. That was our Kiwi for the morning. Whānau, if you just missed it and you're just tuning in, you missed a doozy. But, it's one of those ones. You'll probably find it on Instagram later.
Yes.
Nō reira whānau ko hoki tātou ki te mito te rohe. Let's let India Irie sing it better. We've got video.
If you say so.
Yeah. Ngā Tihine FM.
We've got a message from Generator. She said, the incline is love on top. Love on top!
Oh.
That's a high note, apparently.
Who said that?
Generator.
You don't know.
You don't know, Jen. It's hard, okay?
Yeah, you've been love on top. Nah, that's not as high as you.
Oh, that's the bit she goes up on.
Oh. Yeah, but that's because it's long.
Yeah, we cut it.
Yeah, we cut it.
Great.
Because we've got to keep it going.
Thank you, Hohi Pere.
Hohi Pere Widamu.
Pere Widamu for the donut advice. It's in Hamilton, is it? If you can get one here.
Yes. No. There's actual, like...
That's what it says. Hohi Pere Widamu.
Sometimes people have, like, these... speaking of names, because I know another lady that's named that for a reason. Mama's Donuts. No, they're huge down there. Yeah, there's like big Mama's Donuts.
Mama's Donuts in Hamilton are the tutty. Thank you, Miss, or whoever you are, Widamu. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, wow.
Sorry, I was pushing really hard. Honestly, my
No, it sounds like that.
You went handy, like you took the floor.
Either go Beyonce or go home.
Can you tell when no one's watching? Try the highest note you could of that song.
That was it.
There's a barrier that you need to go back to. There's a barrier that's stopping you. What is it? Yeah, there it is. I knew it. Nah, those are... Funny thing is, I don't think you're joking.
Lol. I had no idea there were others watching.
Oh, are they watching?
Or listening, whatever.
No, not whatever.
Oh, this is the video I've been looking for ages. This one? Is this one?
Who?
The wrong haka?
Oh, yeah. Utaina?
Yeah,
I love that. He does the wrong one. And they're like, what? What is this? We didn't practice this.
Yeah. Where's the rest? That's honestly hilarious. The funniest thing ever.
Oh no.
I've still got a minute and a half.
Yeah. Should we talk about the names thing now? Let's do the names thing. Because I've got another name I've remembered. It's
my love on top, baby. No one I love.
Got the gym today, Mars?
Yep.
Good girl. Good on you, girl.
Trying to do an everyday thing.
I would do the loop with you, but I just can't quite walk as fast as you.
I'll probably walk at the same pace.
I should.
Do the loop. Is that allowed?
I'll probably get cramp. But
you'll probably get like a rash.
Got my appointment tomorrow with the surgeon. Hopefully they say, yep, go to 80. Go to 80.
Go to 80.
1 minute, everybody listening at home, watching at home.
1 minute for what? Are we forward selling?
We're on in 1 minute.
No, but are you for? Are we? What are we? Are we forward selling? Oh, the names.
Yeah. And then that'll take us to the news, maybe. Or take us to the song before the news.
I am a queen.
Nothing on the air from the
30 seconds.
radio.
Up a little more, up a little more. They love you guys. Well, thank you, Jen. That's very kind. We know.
Might be on a different frequency soon.
Don't say that. 10 seconds. Oh, hikama.
5.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Here we are. Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. It is Luke, Marcy and Phoenix right here till 9 a.m. this morning. Welcome to the show.
Welcome. No mai, haere mai.
Aye.
Speaking of no mai, haere mai, welcome. Of course, everybody leads off with Ko Marcia Aho with my name. And so let's get into that. Talking about names. You just had your baby boy. And his new name is, or his name is.
Yeah, so just had our new Pepe Nama Tuawha on Friday. His name is Waioranuku Otane Ruka.
See, that's really strong.
Yeah, strong. Waioranuku. But then, so then we got to talking about that was his ingoa and how did that come to be and all of that sort of things. And then we started like reminiscing about other people's names and other people's whānau names that we've heard of. And then we just wanted to get into a conversation about
because
names.
We've come across some random names. I mean, my mum went to school with some twin boys. Their names were Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry.
Tom
like the
and
cat and the
Jerry.
mouse. Tom and Jerry.
And now I all know our culture no whānau. We used to work with the bro named Tonic, and of course he was a twin to, yes, you guessed it, Jin. And now we didn't know Jin, but we met him in Manuko because we were like, that must be Jin because he looked exactly like Tonic. And what do you know? Jin and Tonic.
Jin and Tonic.
Now twinny.
Nah, twins. Imagine having twins and be like, it's a great name. It's going to set them up well in the future. Gin and tonic.
Gin and tonic.
Gin and tonic.
Yeah.
That's a buzzy one.
Wasn't your name meant to be Kimberly?
It was, Luke, yes. Just while you saying that, I think, Kimberly, what would Kimberly been doing?
Yeah, what would Kimberly?
Kimberly might have been a pink Power Ranger.
What would you be
I would
doing?
have definitely been that, especially with our, play around with the cousins. I'll be like, I am the pink Power Ranger because my name's Kimberly.
That's right.
I would have been like maybe a stylist. Kia ora, my name's Kimberly, and I live in Papamoa.
Papamoa, nice.
Yeah, my mum's from Whangarei, but I don't really get up there.
Yeah. That's Kimberly.
Actually Kimberly.
Yeah.
Well
said,
my mum's from Whangarei.
Lucky.
It's Whangarei?
Yeah, when we go up to Marae, I'd much rather get an Airbnb.
No, that's Marcia. That's definitely Marcia.
Well,
but yeah.
My name was meant according to my auntie. My mum says, no, it's not. But my auntie is adamant. She says, Sharon, you were meant to name Luke one of two names. Tyson or Tyrone. Could you imagine what Tyrone Bird would be like?
Tyrone has got a six-pack. And he's probably taking steroids.
What are you trying to say,
Tyrone plays the league.
I think Tyrone plays league. He's got 4 kids to 4 other women.
Tyrone's got corn braids.
Need a call on Tyrone.
He's definitely the star player of Portland Panthers.
Yeah, he plays league. He's a tradie. He's like a, tool. What's it called? A belt?
A tool belt.
A tool belt.
Tyrone sounds like the guy
a swinger
who almost made it in the NRL but didn't quite.
Yeah,
so he's going to come back and work a job at the Health Trust.
Now he coaches.
Yeah. And he tells everyone I was in the under-21s Warriors but knee injury.
But would I be like I am now? Like, would I be in
you'd have a knee injury.
What if I'd be a puff?
Oh my gosh. No, Tyrone.
Hi, I'm Tyrone.
But Tyrone is
is it really? Hi, I'm Tyrone. I thought it was like, hey.
What if I was though? Well, what if it's the same but my name was Tyrone?
Tyrone in a sequence seems cracker.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. It seems quite kinky.
Tyrone.
Like, Tyrone.
The irony.
Tyrone Bird. Get back here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's Tyson.
Have you had
Oh,
the Tyson and Tyrone?
Tyson?
Oh,
Tyson.
that was so fast.
Yeah,
Tyson.
Yes, well,
Tyson.
my parents told me that originally they had two options. My name now Phoenix, but then also the other option they had on the table was Chevy.
Chevy.
Oh, get
Yeah,
it.
yeah, so they
Chevy
were
was definitely
Chevy
a
would be
too.
mischievous. Yes.
Chevy was snot-nosed Māori kid who like keeps rubbing snot on his sleeve.
I reckon you also had
Nothing's
like
changed.
it
Yeah,
just
yeah.
changed the way you've got Waka Blondie dreads
Yeah,
right now.
Waka blonde dreads.
Chevy, get down.
Chevy.
Get off that
Ah,
tree.
that bloody Chevy
Ah,
again.
Chevy.
Chevy, that's the neighbour's tree. Get
Hard.
off it. Chevy.
Yeah, dreads.
Go
Waka
get
blonde
your brother
dreads.
Phoenix. Ah.
Oh, that'll
Jamil's
be
name's
weird.
Phoenix now, and
Yeah,
yours is
'cause that was
Chevy.
the Chevy.
I think you'd be the Chevy would be that kind of guy